What's up, guys? What is up? I just wanted to give you guys an update on these floors here. Oops, sorry. These are the floors we did back in July, August, I think, before we moved into our new house when we were working on it. So, just thought I'd jump on here real quick and give you guys a quick update on how they've been holding up. So, let's get into it. Alright guys, so just a quick short video this week. We are just giving you an update on the concrete stain that we did in this garage room. This floor is the one that we did the video on about like 6 months ago, 7 months ago, in I think it was like August, late August is when I dropped it. So we actually stained this in July, so it's been a little bit longer. It's been what, 8-9 months. And so we stayed in July. We moved in here for about 7 months, and this was my bedroom. Me, my wife, my daughter, and sometimes my son we were all in here with a dog, and this was our bedroom for that time while we were remodeling our new house. First of all, I want to show you guys the scratches. All right, so here's an overview. Sorry for the mess. We just kind of moved out, and then we're turning this into just kind of like an office area for now. But so here's some of the bigger scratches here. Stuff like this. All right. All right, this is where the dogs would be, in this area. All right, so a lot of them, like the bigger ones here, are like where we had our bed, and when we pulled the bed off, it pulled the coating off. I don't know if it was just too fresh when we put the bed on and it just stuck to it and it pulled off. Some of these areas over here, we noticed some scratching right away. They're within the first couple of weeks. Right here was the main walkway area, so this area got a lot of traffic, a bunch of kids. So you can see we have a bunch of toys and stuff like that. And you know, they've spilled paint and stuff on the floors. So I mean, it was a high traffic area for the time that we were here. We were coming in and out, and there was a lot of us. But I mean, there is a lot of scratches. I'm also curious to see if it was just maybe we didn't prep it as well as we could have. We were kind of in a rush of trying to get moved out and trying to get this room ready to live in for a few months. So we might have rushed it a little bit. So I'm at the point where I'm like 50-50. I want to try this stuff again somewhere else, maybe a small bathroom or something, and just give it another chance to see if we prep a little bit better, how it holds up. I still like the product. I still like how it looks. It's still shiny. When you mop it and clean it, it looks nice. The only issue was these scratches and stuff that we had in different areas. And of course, the original problem, we had where we left it too thick in some areas. So overall, I would use it again. Like I said, I want to try it again. I want to prep a little bit better next time and see if I can get better results not using the mop like I did here. If you haven't seen that video where we did these floors, check it out. I'll put the link down below and probably somewhere up here. But I just wanted to jump on here, show you guys what it looks like after about 7-8 months of actual wear and tear. And like I said, I'm not ready to call it a complete failure. I want to try one more time, give it one more chance to see if it holds up better with better prep. But as far as cleaning it and stuff, this stuff was great. A lot of the scratches over here in the entrance area and the bed area, we noticed like when we first started living in here that it was kind of fresh. It was like within the first couple of weeks. After that, we didn't really see that many new ones come up, other than like the area over here where we had the dogs. Obviously their little paws and stuff scraped up. And then here a little bit from walking on it so much. Just wanted to give you guys a update and let you guys see for yourself so you guys can decide if you want to try it. The concrete under here did have like a gloss coating on it itself, so I'm thinking maybe we just didn't do the acid, what's it called, the whatever it's called, the acid cleaning whatever part, that we didn't do it enough. We only did, I believe we did one clean with the acid etching stuff. Maybe if we would have done 2 or 3 cleans or sanded, it would have got rid of that gloss a little bit more and it would have stuck a little bit better. So I'm gonna try it again somewhere else and we'll put that video up later on, but for now you guys can check out this floor. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was our update here for these concrete floors. This is the Valspar concrete stain that we picked up at Lowe's, and if you want to see how we did the floors, check out the link down below. And as always, if you liked the video, if it helped in any way, please hit that like and that subscribe down below, and we'll see you guys next week.